Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your Estonian skills with Clozemaster, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start recovering your Estonian skills, visit the Clozemaster website. Sign up for a free account if you don't have one. Once logged in, navigate to the language selection menu. Choose Estonian from the list of available languages. Next, select the mode you prefer for learning. The close mode is great for filling in missing words and sentences. If you're looking for a more challenging exercise, try the listen mode. After selecting your mode, you can choose a specific topic or skill level. Start with beginner level content to build your confidence. As you progress, gradually increase the difficulty of the exercises. Pay attention to the words and sentences to reinforce your memory. Clozemaster uses spaced repetition to help you retain what you've learned. Make use of the hints feature if you get stuck on a word. Track your progress on the dashboard to stay motivated. Consider setting a daily goal for consistency and practice. Engage with the community by joining forums for tips and support. Explore additional resources provided by Clozemaster for further learning. Make it a habit to practice regularly, even if just for a few minutes a day. Monitor your improvement over time to recognize your achievements. Lastly, enjoy the learning process and immerse yourself in the Estonian language. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.